The power of wisdom. Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but a lifelong attempt to acquire it. Hello and a very good afternoon, everyone. I am Ignited Subhi, and today I'll be talking about the power of wisdom. So, what is wisdom? Is wisdom actually a power? Or what is so special about the power of wisdom? There are a lot of questions which pops in my mind after listening to today's topic, and I am here to help you solve each one of them. Wisdom refers to the ability to use your knowledge and experience so as to make right decisions and judgment. It refers to the use of intellect and thus it is mind oriented. Wisdom enables us to take decisions sensibly. For example, sometimes an argument leads to settlement and sometimes it leads to confrontation. Now, it is your wisdom which will decide whether the argument will lead to settlement or to confrontation. If you think it will lead to confrontation, it's better to avoid it. But if you think it will lead to settlement, it's better to proceed with it. Wisdom is deep understanding of how things work. It is said that experience from the past leads to betterment of future. And, and it's quite true in case of wisdom. True wisdom can only be attained through experiencing, and that means having experience to the fullest. Understanding that life is not always about being happy or having satisfaction. In fact, sorrows, pain, and tragedy are part of it. True wisdom teaches us that life has to be embraced, and the only way to do that is through acceptance, self observation, and the most important one, introspection. Now, how does wisdom make our life different or change it? Wisdom can improve our life in all aspects. It brings peace to the mind and to the heart as well. Wisdom is the germination of seeds of empathy, kindness, and compassion. It is only through wisdom that one may realize forgiving others' bad deeds and ignoring their fault is the highest and truest virtues of all human beings. Now, here comes one very important question. What is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Knowledge is earned through learning, but wisdom can be attained only through living. Utilizing the learned knowledge in the best and the most ethical way is called wisdom. Knowing how to use knowledge is wisdom. Knowledge can be given, but wisdom cannot. Knowledge can be learned, but wisdom can only be attained. Now, the question comes how to attain wisdom. By learning as much as you can and analyzing your experience and putting knowledge to test is the best way to attain wisdom. Possessing a good judgment is the second necessity needed by a person who is in pursuit of wisdom. Pure confidence is also needed by a person who is in pursuit of wisdom. Now, to conclude, past is experience, present is experiment, and future is expectation. Use your experience in your experiments to achieve your expectations. Thank you, and over to you, MC.